Hi everyone, now we can learn about applets. Applets are mainly created using two types of applet classes. First is directly using applet class. It is a basic type of applet. It uses AWT, that is Abstract Window Toolkit, for graphical user interface guide. Second type of applets are based on swing class, which uses J-applet classes. Uses swing components to provide guide. It is very popular and easier to use. Next, we can see about applet basics. Applets are not standalone programs. They run on either web browser or an applet viewer. Applet viewer is a standard applet viewer. It is provided by JDK to run an applet. To use an applet, it is specified in an HTML file. The applet tag with attributes, code, width and height has to be specified. Here, applet called MyApplet will run on window of 200 pixel wide and 60 pixel height. Next, we can see lifecycle of applet. There are 5 states. They are initialization, running, ideal, dead state and display state. First one is initialization state. When the applet is first loaded, it enters initialization state. And this is done by calling init method. All variables are initialized in this state. It is called only once during the lifetime of applet. Second state is running state. When the start method is called, it enters into running state. Start method is called after init method. It is also called to restart an applet after it has been stopped. Start method may be called any number of times. When a user leaves a web page and comes back, the applet resumes execution. Next, status ideal or stopped state. It becomes ideal when it is stopped. When we leave the page containing the current applet, automatically it enters stopped state. Stop method suspends applet execution until the user clicks on it. Next one we can see about dead state. When the applet is removed from memory, it is in dead state. Dead state occurs by calling destroy method. Destroy method perform shutdown activities and it removes the applet from the memory. Next state is display state. When the applet has to perform some output operation on the screen, it moves to display state. Paint method can be used. We can override to display the required graphics. This is the applet state diagram that specifies the initialization, that is the born state, running, ideal and dead state. When an applet begins, the following methods, that is init, start, paint, are executed in sequence. When an applet is terminated, stop and destroy method is called in sequence. Thank you.